Just another little quick project today that we're going to attack. This time we put a new overflow tank for the radiator in front of the car. So currently it's got the overflow coming from there into just a little bowl down there, which sort of worked fine, but it didn't have a huge capacity, so there's potential we could miss out on some runs if it's built onto the track. Well, actually got this old tank was off the mini rod, off the front of the mini rod. So the idea is to make it look like a moon tank, but it'll just be radiator overflow. It's somewhere about there. So yeah, we're going to look into how we can make some brackets. It's a bit of tube there. I think I'll get a sort of a half bit of tube, slip over that, and have 2 bolts going through it, and then weld it to a flat piece under there, and these hose clamps can hold on there. So here we go. Okay, I found an old piece of exhaust pipe. I'll just grab the verniers here, just check in. So the internal measurement on it is 60mm. That one there is about 54, so that should be alright. I'll cut this straight down the middle so I can slip over the top. We'll just have to just pinch it in just a tad and get it sitting on there. Alright, here we go. A bit of tube cut in half. Should slip over there pretty well. Alright, you can see what I've done here. I just had a bit of metal left over. I put a few bends in it. And just had to cut a little piece out for where the overflow is going to fill. And so basically that's just going to weld straight to that tube, but I needed to space a little bit to fit these in here, so this bit of steel here, I'll weld that on, then tack it onto that piece there, and so here we go. And I think eventually we'll drill 2 holes and have a couple of bolts going straight through there. Hold that on and be able to remove it. So it shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so that's the finished piece we have ended up with. There we go. So it's just sitting there for now. I'll have to drill it and put some bolts through. And there's your little outlet. So I'm hoping if I get some hose running under there, any coolant that comes out of the radiator will just go into there and fill that up, and then I'll just be able to pull it off and drain it out when I need to. I may even put a little T-piece with a little drain valve there. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Looks like one of the old moon tanks that used to hold alcohol or similar, but for now it could just work as a coolant tank. Okay, that's all sorted. I think I will get some black hose, but I just had some blue for now that fitted. So yeah, it just feeds under the back there, behind the grill. Yeah, up there to the radiator overflow spout. So there's plenty of clearance for the blower belt, that sort of thing. Hopefully that works good. Plenty of capacity in there. I don't think I'll have any issues. And it's not a sealed cap at the minute. It's very burst, as you can see. Which I think is good anyway, having it a bit vented, because it's not a recovery system. It's just basically just to catch the overflow.